Becoming a State Farm insurance agent can be the perfect path for you, providing stability and the chance to make a real difference in people's lives. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of launching your career with State Farm. First, you'll need to meet the basic requirements. This typically includes being at least 18 years old and having a high school diploma or equivalent. Next, and this is key, you must pass the required state licensing exams. These exams cover the specifics of insurance policies and regulations within your state, so you will need to study thoroughly. State Farm offers resources and support to help you prepare. After passing the exams, you'll then move on to the State Farm training program. Here, you'll learn, in detail, about State Farm products, sales techniques, and customer service. This training is designed to set you up for success whether you start completely new or already have experience in sales. Once trained and licensed, you'll be ready to hit the ground running. As a State Farm agent, your primary responsibilities will involve selling insurance policies, for example, auto, home, and life insurance, plus assisting customers with their insurance needs. You'll build relationships with customers, providing sound advice and ensuring they have the coverage that best suits their needs. It's about offering peace of mind and building a long-term relationship based on trust. Remember, becoming a State Farm insurance agent requires dedication, licensing, training, and customer service skills. If you're looking for a career that offers both personal fulfillment and professional growth, don't hesitate to start your journey today. To learn more and get started, visit the State Farm website and explore opportunities in your area. Consider liking this video and subscribing for more career tips.